Treating a single monthly spreadsheet forecast as the definitive truth is an obsolete strategy. The moment a real world disruption hits, that rigid number instantly becomes a fairy tale. Instead, massive computing power now drives AI powered predictive analytics. This technology lets organizations calculate precise, dynamic probabilities on demand, replacing static guesses with agile foresight. When forecasts break down, falling back on gut instinct during a crisis is a dangerous liability. To outmaneuver chaos, supply chain leaders must understand the underlying math of the predictive models actually driving their software. There is no single AI that solves everything. Leaders must match specific mathematical models to specific operational problems. Regression modeling uses historical trends to predict continuous values, like future product demand. Classification modeling categorizes data into distinct groups, instantly identifying high-risk suppliers. Time series modeling analyzes historical patterns at specific frequencies, which nails down precise delivery ETAs. Mastering these three foundational models establishes the baseline operational stability required before you tackle complex network variables. Clustering groups data by hidden similarities to assess carrier risks. Neural networks emulate brains to process complex relationships, optimizing routes. Decision trees map outcomes of binary choices. Ensemble modeling aggregates these models with IoT data, boosting accuracy to predict disruptions. AI algorithms calculate these probabilities rapidly, but a human in the loop is strictly required. It takes experienced leaders to interpret models and execute final strategic decisions. Selecting the right model depends entirely on your specific operational bottlenecks and your organization's current level of data readiness. Stop gambling your supply chain operations on a single forecasted guess. Manage it like a resilient investment portfolio built on balanced, calculated probabilities.
Hello, this is Raina McClure from SC Tech Insights. Thank you for listening. For more on this topic, click the article link below or go to www.sctechinsights.com for the latest insights on supply chain technology. Thank you and see you next time.